Oh, sorry. I'm just going. Burn, baby, burn. Happy Halloween. Of course, the skeletons are partying again in
Nuclear Disco!
the skeletons at 3 Golden Field. Of course, they always have to be partying, but they are having a blast, and then
A nuclear explosion!
they combine the disco with the nuclear explosion, and it's Disco Inferno.
They can end it all and have a sad time.
Or keep partying forever, but they want you to join them, so make sure you're on the lookout.
We bedazzled a lot of skeletons here. Not 1, not 2, but 3 jump scares this year. What's your favorite part of the nuclear disco, Del?
Obviously, you know, the middle part, it looks very nuclear, pretty, a little bit scary. And I just love jump scaring people in there, you know?
Oh, yeah. Well, we love making the haunted house for you. We hope you enjoy it. Should we say goodbye to them in the nuclear disco room?
Yes!
Let's go. Okay, maybe not the clearest shot to say goodbye, but we hope you enjoyed our video as always, and
Like and subscribe, babies.
we have a lot more fun content. We go to a lot of trade shows, we find cool products, and we're always doing cool things. Catherine Emery TV and
Mr. Dylan Emery, baby.
All right, thanks for
Subscribe to me
watching.
more than her.
Disco Inferno, burn, baby, burn.